a fun thing to make, and of course you can use as many stitches as you wish, but I'm making a very thin scarf, or it can be like a hair piece or something like that. So you're going to pick up all these ladders and you're going to be braiding them up. So it's going to be looking something like so, but see. So let's go do this. I casted on 32 stitches and the braiding part is 16. So I have 8, 16 and 8. So make believe that you just casted on your stitches, cast on 32, and row number 1 you're going to only knit 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now we're going to purl 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you're going to knit the leftover 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Row number 2, you only knit. You knit the 32 stitches. So I'll see you when I finish this row. Okay, I finished row 2, which is knit the 32 stitches. Row number 3 is the same as row number 1. You're going to knit 8, purl 16, and knit 8. And I'll see you when I get there. Okay, row number 4. You're going to knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you are going to bring your yarn to the front, pass the next stitch as if to purl, and take your yarn to the back again. And you're going to leave that there. You're going to pass the next stitch, and the one that you hugged is going to go over that one. So again, this would be the number 3. Again, 4, 5, 6, pass as if to purl and bind off, pass as if to purl and bind off, pass as if to purl and bind off, pass, bind off, pass, bind off, pass, bind off. And you need to have 8 stitches left, counting the one that you have on your right hand needle. So let's see how many I have. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1 more. So now I have 2, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Now this stitch I am going to pass on into my left hand needle and leave it there. So now I have 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches there. So they're going to stay there, and I am going to turn my work. With my yarn in the back, I want to cast on the 16 stitches that I took off, that I bound off, plus 1. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8 stitches. I'm going to cast on 17. So you are going to cast on like a cable, and the cable cast on. That means you put your needle through the whole stitch, knit, bring it to the front, twist, and from the bottom to the top. Again, pick up the whole thing, the whole stitch, and cast on. So that's 2. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yes, that's 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and one more. That's the 17th. And I leave that one a little bit wobbly because I need to pick it up. So now I'm going to turn my work again, and my yarn needs to be in the back. So what I want to do now is that I want to pass one stitch from my left needle onto my right needle, and that last one, the 17th that we casted on, the one that we left wobbly, that one is going to go on top of the one that I passed. So now I can tighten my yarn. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And those 4 rows are the ones that you repeat for all the ladders here. See them? So those are the ones that you're going to be braiding at the end. Repeat those 4 rows until, whatever length you want your scarf to be. Okay, so I have very little yarn left, and I am going to finish. I'm going to bind off my stitches on a number 4 row. So regular bind off, and do that the whole row. And I will see you when I get to the end, because I need to show you how to braid the ladders. And this is so cute, it's so interesting. Okay, so I weaved in the ends, and you can start at either side. It really doesn't matter, but this side seems to be easier to see. So I am going to pick up that first ladder, and I am going to place it on top of the second one. So now they are crossed. Now I'm going to pick up the bottom one, this one, and I am going to place it on top of that third one here. So that third one is going to go under and over that loop. There we go. So now the next one is going to go under and over the loop, and the next one also under and over the loop, and the next one under and over the loop, and under and over the loop, and you continue that all the way to the end, and I'll see you when I get there. So what I want to do now is to close this gap from the start and just pass a piece of yarn from one side to the other and make a small knot and then weave in the ends. So like so, and then make a knot on the other side and weave the tails in. And then where you ended, see it now, it looks nice. So where you ended, you are left with that loop there. What you want to do is either sew it to go under, or you can hang a pom-pom or anything that you would like to have. Maybe you have leftover yarn and you want to hang a pom-pom from there or from another yarn. And I will take some pictures of this to give you ideas. And so this is what it looks like. Isn't that fun? So, and thank you very much for watching, and please share us with your friends and like our page and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.